Hi, welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we're going to show you how to do beautiful curls.
That's right. We are going to show you how to do these pretty curls today with our new launch wand. I use it in my hair as well as Nova's. And right now we are using the 25 millimeter Ondule. And if you stay tuned, we are going to show you how to not only do these curls, but how we prep her hair. And I'm actually going to be showing you two different types of curls, a spiral and a ringlet curl. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get started. For Nova's curls today, I'm going to be using the 25 millimeter titanium Ondule curling wand by Launch. I will link it down in the description below in case you are interested in purchasing it. I've combed her hair out and made sure it's free of tangles, and then I'm going to be using this Rival heat shield on it to protect her hair as we are using heat on it. And then I'm going to use the included glove that Launch sends with the wand, just because the wand does not have a cool tip, and so I don't want to burn myself, and so I use the glove. So to do a ringlet curl, you're going to lay the hair flat against the iron as you wrap it, and you're just going to keep it spread out and flat. And I'm going to hold it for about 10 seconds and then let the ringlet out. I'm going to hold it in my hand while it cools. Now, after I did this first curl, I realized that I had the glove on the wrong hand and I was scared I was going to burn myself. So I moved the glove to my left hand. Next, we're going to do a spiral curl. So this one, you're going to kind of hold the hair close together, and it's going to kind of wrap or twist as you bring it around the iron. When you let it out, it's going to give you kind of a spiral look, which will give you more of a beachy curl. With Nova's hair today, I'm going to finger comb it at the very end, so it doesn't really matter what type of curl that I want. If you're not going to finger comb it and want the ringlet look, you're going to do the curl on the right. If you want a more of a beach wave look, you're going to do the spiral curl, which is the middle. And I'll show you again how to do each one. So this one is a ringlet curl. I'm spreading the hair out on the iron and laying it flat as I wrap it around. And then I'm letting the cool curl in my hand for like 5 to 10 seconds and then letting it go. So ringlet, spiral, and ringlet. I do her hair in sections because it's easier to make sure that I curl all the hair with less flyaways. So I'm going to be doing it mainly in 3 sections. So I have that bottom one, and then we're going to clip the top section out of the way and do the middle. I'm going to add my heat shield, and then I will start curling again. Again, I'm going to show you another spiral curl here. So I'm keeping the hair close together and it almost kind of twists. I'm leaving space between the hair as I wrap it as well. That also helps give that spiral appearance. Now, when it comes to the way that you wrap the curl, you want to start at the base of the iron, so the very top here, and then you're going to wrap until you get to the other side where you do not have the cool tip at. So you also want to keep the iron pointed downwards. You'll notice that I kind of do it horizontally and then I bring it vertically so that it's facing down. It's easier to let go of the curl and get the look that you want. Another tip that I wanted to add is I like working on dirty hair because it holds hair better. Toddler hair and little girl hair tends to be softer and finer. My hair type is a little bit coarser if I let it air dry than Nova's is, and for me that happened around puberty, 13, 14. So her hair type might change, but for now it's fairly fine, and so it just holds curl better if it's dirtier. If you're working on clean hair, I would suggest spraying some dry shampoo in her hair and kind of working it throughout, and Launch has an awesome dry shampoo product too that I love. So I'm just speeding this video up because it gets pretty redundant. I'm kind of alternating between spiral curls and ringlet curls to show you the difference, but I wasn't going to do her whole head in ringlet curls and then turn around and do the spiral curls just for sake of time and yeah, having to film it again. So when I get to the curls that are right next to her face, I'm going to come down 2 or 3 inches so it's not right against her scalp, so the curl lays better, and I'm going to curl away from her face. So you'll see the top part of her hair is a little bit straighter. It just lays a lot nicer, especially if you're going to leave their hair down. If you're going to pull their hair half up or do a ponytail style, this doesn't matter as much. So I'm coming to the other side, and on this other side, I'm going to curl away from the face again, just because the curl lays nicer when it's away from the face. And then this last piece, I'm coming down several inches and then wrapping it. And you'll see towards the end of the video just how it lays nicer if I don't come like right up next to her scalp on these front pieces. So I've got a few more front face pieces on the other side, and then we will be done with our curls. So again, wrapping away from the face, and then on the very front curl, I'm coming down a little bit. And so here are all of your curls. You could leave it like this, but since I have some spiral curls and some ringlet curls, I'm going to kind of finger comb it out so that they all blend together. But you could leave it just as ringlets or just as spiral curls, and it's super cute that way too. Don't take a brush through it at this point. If you take a brush and brush through it, then it's really going to make the curls relax a lot. If you just use your fingers, then it will give you kind of the separated look without completely pulling the curl out, which you don't want to do. So I'm going to use a couple products. One is a sea salt spray, and this just gives it a little bit more texture, kind of dirties it up, gives a little bit more volume towards the root, since I want to be able to use these curls a couple days on her. So I'll have her wear them today and then probably tomorrow, and then since her hair is already a little bit dirty, we will wash the day after that. And then I'm going to finish with this Launch 3-Way Hairspray. I'm just going to spray it throughout the hair and kind of scrunch up the curls. And that is our finished style as far as curls go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out one of our many other videos on our channel. Bye!